Are you registered under Rule 14A of the CGST rules? Did you know that the GST portal has now introduced a new facility to withdraw from Rule 14A? Here's the important question. Are you eligible to opt out? Hi, my name is CS Praveen Sinha and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, we will discuss who can apply for withdrawal, how to file GST REG-32 form, the condition you must fulfill before applying. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever faced additional verification or restriction while applying for GST registration? In some cases, the department registered taxpayer under Rule 14A of the CGST rules, which involves enhanced compliance monitoring. Now, the good news is that GSTN has introduced a new facility allowing eligible taxpayer to withdraw from Rule 14A. On 21st February 2026, GSTN announced a new online facility on the GST portal. This facility allows eligible taxpayer to apply for withdrawal from Rule 14A by filing Form GST Registration 32. But here is the key point. This option is not available for everyone. This option is not available for everyone. It will only appear on the portal if the taxpayer is registered under Rule 14A and the registration is active. Who can apply? Let's quickly check if you are eligible. Ask yourself these three questions. 1. Is your GST registration is active? Are you currently registered under Rule 14A? Have you filed your required GST returns? If the answer to this question is yes, you may be eligible to apply for withdrawals. Now let us understand the actual process on the GST portal. Go to the services and then registration. You will find an application for withdrawal from Rule 14A. Once you open the form, you will notice the option registration under Rule 14A will be automatically appear as no. You will be required to enter the reason for withdrawal from Rule 14A. After filing the form, you must proceed to the Aadhaar authentication step. Before you rush to file the application, there is an important condition. Let me ask you another question. Have you filed your recent GST returns? Because the portal will not allow you filing of Form GST REG-32 unless the return filing conditions are satisfied. If the application is filed before 1st April 2026, you must have filed returns for at least 3 months. If the application is not filed on or after 1st April 2026, you must have filed return for at least one tax period. And one more important point is here, all GST returns from the effective date of registration until the date of filing the application must be filed. Another important step is Aadhaar authentication. The GST system may require either OTP based Aadhaar authentication or biometric authentication. Authentication is mandatory for the primary authorized signatory and at least one promoter or partner where applicable. Only after successful authentication will the system generate application reference number, that is called ARN. Let me highlight an important timeline. Once you create the draft application, you must submit it within 15 days. After submission, Aadhaar or biometric authentication must be completed within 15 days. If authentication is not completed within this period, the ARN will not be generated and the application will not proceed. Here is another important point that many taxpayers miss. While your Form GST REG-32 application is pending, the portal will not allow you to file core amendment applications, non-core amendment applications, self-cancellation applications. So it is important to complete this process carefully. Now let's assume your registration is approved. The proper officer will issue an order in Form GST REG-33. After approval, taxpayer will be able to furnish details of outward supplies exceeding 2.5 lakhs made to registered person. This change will become effective from the first day of the month following the month in which the order is issued. So here is my final question for you. Are you currently registered under Rule 14A or planning to apply for withdrawal? Let me know in the comments, and if you want regular updates on GST law, corporate law, business compliance, consider subscribing to the channel so you never miss important updates. Thank you very much for watching the video for till the end. Thanks.